Vaultek Pro MX Series safe is equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and installs in seconds. First, remove the battery from your accessories box and using your manual key, open the safe. Locate the battery cover beneath the control panel and remove by pressing on the front tab. Insert your battery into the compartment, making sure the pull strap is underneath the battery. You will hear a short welcome tone and the control panel will light up. Replace the battery cover and you are ready to begin programming. Change the master code from the safe's factory default code immediately. Your safe can auto-detect the polarity of the battery and installs in either direction. You will need to fully charge your new safe. Use the charging kit provided and plug your safe into the wall and charge for approximately 2.5 hours. The LCD screen will indicate when the battery is fully charged.